In this guide, I'll show you how to adjust the HUD size in Minecraft Mobile. So by doing this, you'll adjust the hotbar as well as the settings at the top, in addition to a few other things. So select the three lines at the top, and then we're going to head on over to settings. And on the left sidebar, you want to scroll down and select video. Now, once you're here, scroll down on the right side, and you want to look for GUI scale modifier. Now, by default, it's going to be set to 0, and if you decrease this setting, you'll notice all of the UI got smaller on this screen. And if we go to the game, you'll notice they're a lot smaller as well. Now, personally, I recommend you leave this setting at 0. It looks pretty good this way. And if you wanted to adjust the control size, if you're using the touch controls, you want to select touch under controls and then scroll down on this page. And from here, you just need to adjust the mobile menu size. I'm going to leave it at 100% though, but you can customize it any way you'd like if it's getting in the way while you're playing in game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.